We are here at a mock drill training in Guwahati. You can see on my left here, their students are getting ready, and to my right here, the NCC and the other trainees are on the ground because there is a gas that has been leaked, and we can see here that there is a smoke alarm which has been given, which has indicated that public needs to lie down on ground to avoid any sort of artillery attack. And on my back here also you can hear the alarm. This alarm is an indication that there is impending attack that can happen, and as a result of that, the NCC troops have laid down on ground. And you can also hear the sound of the jets. This sound of the jets is an indication that there is an air raid which is happening, and as a result of that, the cadets are on ground. This is how we need to be on ground during a situation. And we can see here further, there is bombs displayed. This is the situation. It's a simulation which has been done in case of an air raid which can happen, and this is a simulation, and as part of that simulation, the public is being trained here to avoid any sort of casualty that can happen in these kind of situations. And this is a simulation to prepare the public in the event of a warlike situation. So that is the situation from the ground. You can ground. So this is indeed a training exercise being done by the Indian government. All the states have been urged to do this training exercise as part of the mock drill. And you can see here, due to the smoke, the people who were lying on ground, they have fled. So these exercises are part of the exercises which are being done to prevent any sort of attack that can happen, and how the people can be prepared. You can see immediately the fire team has come, the fire extinguishers have come, and these fire extinguishers are here as a response. These are part of the response mechanism that have come, and these fire extinguishers along with the ambulance have come. They are going to immediately douse any sort of flames that can arise due to a bombed attack. And as a result of that, the fire extinguishers are part of the quick response team which have come, and this quick response team is going to prevent the fire which has been done here. And you can see here how they are going to extinguish the fire. So these are part of the efforts which are being done. You can see here, done by the Indian government to ready the public in terms of an attack by the Pakistani Air Force if they attack us. And this is the level of preparedness which has been done. This is a routine mock drill exercise being done to prepare the public in terms of an attack if it is done. And as a result of that, the public is now totally prepared to face any such challenges. As India has given a big response to the terrorists, it is very important for the public to also participate in this entire exercise. And as a result of that, the public has been trained properly so that they can also be a part of this mock drill exercise. With video journalist Nishant, this is Nibir reporting for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.